Don't eat that. It's not to eat. It's a plant just to stay outside. That's it. To look pretty. Put it down. Come on, y'all ready? Of course. Alan. This is what I do with every day. Come on. We gotta find Alan. Alan. What are you talking about? That's a cat. It's just a cat. Alan. Oh, OMG. Alan. Come back. And she wants to follow the cat. Okay. Come on. It's a kitten. Cat. Not really a kitten. It's big. And he or she is running from y'all for a reason. Get up. Oh my God. Look at this. It's Christmas. That cat gone.